I'm Dr. Afolabi Ogunleye, and board certified in oral and maxillofacial surgery, and this is Premier Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. In the current state of dentistry today, there are many good options for replacing missing teeth. And the All-on-X, also known as the same-day smile, is a very important one. And the typical candidate for this is somebody who's either already missing all their teeth or someone who has a lot of failing teeth due to decay, a lot of cavities, they are in pain, and they got multiple missing teeth already. And they're looking for an efficient way to transition from that to a good smile. And one of the beauties of that is being able to assure this patient that you can walk in the same situation that you are today. We put you through 3 hours of surgery for one jaw or about 5 hours of surgery for 2 jaws, and you walk out of this office with a perfect smile, all done the same day. This is not just about instant gratification. It's about being able to leverage technology, a turnkey operation, and deliver that perfect smile of your dreams. What makes it possible for a patient to walk in, have surgery for a few hours, and walk out with a perfect smile is the amount of technology behind it and the amount of off-site work that is done ahead of time in preparation for that one surgical appointment that changes the patient's life. This starts with a thorough review of the patient's history, medical history, their medication, a CT scan to look at the bone volume. Do you have enough? Do we need a graft ahead of time? Or can the graft be done at the same time that we place your implants? We also then do a digital impression that most people prefer to the old gooey stuff in the mouth. And there's advanced software technology that lets us merge the CT scan on one end with the impression. And then on a computer with the technician and the patient's dentist looking on, plan where the implants would go and what the teeth would look like. And once that is all done, we're able to then print a stent of that we can put in the patient's mouth to guide surgery on the day, which is what makes the surgery that short and the outcome predictable. The way you feel about yourself, the confidence that it gives. You're not just looking for comfort food or something that's soft and doesn't hurt to chew or swallow anymore. You can get on vegetables, you can get on healthy stuff that really will change your health. These are patients who have seen a steady deterioration in their jawbone over the years. Putting implants in stops that. So if you're looking to change your smile and change your life, give us a call. We'll get you in for that free consultation, get every imaging that we need at no cost to you, and we look forward to seeing you soon.